Should we start accumulating Bitcoin for the long term right now? We're looking at the Wall Street cheat sheet, telling us where in this cheat sheet Bitcoin is right now. Is this the best time to buy Bitcoin? And guys, looking at some other metrics that's telling us if you're a long-time investor in Bitcoin, this is the point you want to be buying Bitcoin. Also looking at Bitcoin's market cap, and then we'll look at some technical details about Bitcoin. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term investing or trading in Bitcoin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. The crypto market is in a hot run. We've had a green month, we've had a green week, we're also having a green day in the crypto market. But to the $1,000,000 question, is this a good time to buy Bitcoin long term? Bitcoin is trading for 23,000. Bitcoin got to a low in this cycle of 17,600. Is the bear market over for Bitcoin? We'll be examining Bitcoin previous bear market, how long it takes us to get out of the bear market, and how long should we expect to be in this current bear market. A lot of market participants are expecting us to just V-bottom out of here and pump to new all-time highs. Guys, it doesn't work that way. These things take time. If you want to make money trading and investing in Bitcoin, you have to agree that time is your friend. The people that bought Bitcoin at $3,000 right here in December 2018, at that point in time, they would have not looked as if they were making the right decision, because a lot of people have been expecting Bitcoin to go lower. Oh my God, the bottom is not in, yada, yada, yada. But what happened after that, guys? Bitcoin rallied hard and then came back to that price range again. So let's not be surprised if Bitcoin rallies to like 40,000. A lot of people say, oh, the bear market is over. If you didn't buy Bitcoin under 20K, you will unlock it and boom, Bitcoin will drop back to maybe 13 or 14K. It's very, very possible, and it's not out of the realms of possibility. The previous bear market, we saw Bitcoin drop more than 83%. Right now, from the all-time high, a lot of people are saying this time is different. Probably Bitcoin will not drop 80-something% again. Bitcoin just dropped 75% in this bear market. A lot of the argument going around is that Bitcoin is a matured asset right now, so we should not be expecting to see all those 80% dump in crypto. But guys, if we're looking at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a larger time frame, that's on the weekly time frame, we can notice some significant resistance and support points for Bitcoin. We can notice that the previous all-time high was a huge support for Bitcoin, and we can see that Bitcoin found support around our range. The next support for Bitcoin, if Bitcoin doesn't hold its previous all-time high, guys, around the $12,000, $13,000 region. A lot of people have been postulating that Bitcoin might just fall to 14,000. That's what a lot of retail investors have been waiting for, $14,000, and it looks as if their bids are not going to get filled right now. But guys, remember, the bear market is a period in time. The bear market just don't come and go in 2 months or 3 months. The previous bear market, it took Bitcoin more than 1,000 days just to find its bottom. And after Bitcoin found its bottom, after clocking 1,000 days of continuous dump, Bitcoin started rallying, and it took Bitcoin another 196 days for Bitcoin to just have its retracement rally. Right now, we've not had a retracement rally after the 2021 bull market. Guys, if you want to know how high Bitcoin can go in its retracement rally, use this Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of previous Bitcoin bull run to the bottom of previous Bitcoin bear market. Guys, we can see how far Bitcoin retraced. When he had that retracement, Bitcoin went to the 0.618 level on the retracement tool. Now, if we assume that Bitcoin is going to do a 0.618 retracement in the 2021 bear market, guys, from the top of Bitcoin that came in right here in November 2021, when Bitcoin was trading for $69,000, you can see you draw the Fibonacci retracement tool from that top to the bottom we have right here at 17,600, assuming that is the bottom of the bear market. If Bitcoin is going to do the same style retracement in 2018, guys, we might see Bitcoin trading for 49,000 to as high as $50,000. That's very, very possible. A lot of people right now might not phantom that, how that might be possible, how Bitcoin trading for $50,000 again. Guys, that can happen very, very quickly. We saw it in 2018 when a lot of people thought, you know what, we are going to spend maybe 2 years, 3 years in the depths of the bear market, and then the market started rallying very, very hard. Is that what is happening right now? Another metric that is pointing towards maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in for Bitcoin right now. Let me take this off the screen so that I can see it clearly. Is the RSI. The RSI is the momentum indicator. It shows us whether Bitcoin is overbought or it's oversold. And you can see that according to the RSI, Bitcoin had topped already since January 2021. So since when Bitcoin was trading for $41,000, this was where a lot of market participants that bought at the bottom right here. This was where they started offloading their bags. And guys, we have 4 stages of a market cycle. We have where the market goes through accumulation. That's where smart players in the markets are actually buying Bitcoin. And this was accumulation period for the 2018 bear market. You can see where the RSI was right here. The RSI came to a region of 30. This is very, very important. You have to notice it because, guys, in 2022, Bitcoin right now has dumped really hard from the all-time high, where the previous all-time high, where we got to in 2018. Before we even got to this all-time high, if a lot of people are saying Bitcoin has never gone below its previous all-time high, there's no way Bitcoin is going to 20K. But here we are, Bitcoin went below 20K. And guys, if you notice that the RSI for Bitcoin came below that 30 region. Currently, the RSI even went to as low as $25. This was a huge buy signal for Bitcoin. A lot of people didn't buy Bitcoin. I got some on the cheap, and right now it looks as if Bitcoin might be retracing. But guys, you can see that just like 2018, the retracement didn't happen overnight. Bitcoin consolidated at the bottom of the market for more than 120 days. If Bitcoin is going to repeat the same trick again, we might still see Bitcoin consolidating. We might not see a significant pump in Bitcoin anytime soon. If we're going to take 120 days, guys, remember, just the fact that it happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen exactly like that in the future. If Bitcoin is going to do 120 days before we start pumping, we'll see Bitcoin pumping around October. Will that fall in line with what Bitcoin has done in previous bear markets? Yes. Guys, right now, Bitcoin has gone as high as $68,700 in the last 1 year and as low as $17,708. If you want to make money in Bitcoin, you have to think long term. You have to ask yourself, do I want to be among the people that are buying Bitcoin in 2018 around $3,000 so that I can sell when it gets to $40,000, $50,000? Do I want to be that version in 2022? So do I want to buy Bitcoin around $20,000, guys, so that in the future when Bitcoin gets to 100, 120, 150,000, you will be among the smart investors that are selling? Because now sentiment in the market is still in fear. We've been in extreme fear, and that the fact that we've been in extreme fear for over 3 months was a huge buy signal. You want to buy crypto when the sentiment in the market is trash, when nobody wants it, when everybody feels as if it's going to zero. That's when you want to be investing. History has shown over time that a lot of the market participants in the market actually do opposite of what they are supposed to do. So when they are supposed to be selling, they are buying. When they are supposed to be buying, they are selling. If you want to buy some Bitcoin during the bear market, before we look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, guys, you can buy Bitcoin on basically any exchange. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $447 billion. We have over 19,115,000 Bitcoin that is circulating out of the maximum supply of 21 million coins. That's 91% of the maximum supply. Guys, anyway, you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin on Binance, Coinbase, FTX, KuCoin, Date.io, Kraken, CoinCheck, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, Bitcoin is the #1 crypto asset in the cryptocurrency world. We have over 3.3 million people tracking Bitcoin's progress right now. And guys, let's look at this Wall Street cheat sheet. This Wall Street cheat sheet shows us the psychology of a market cycle, the feelings appearing as market fluctuation. Now, what this chart is telling us is how people feel during different phases of the market cycle. You can see that these are all the emotions that people go through during the phases of a market cycle. And as the emotions go high, this is price going high. As time goes by, this is their emotions going by. That's, we have price against time. You can see that when the market start popping, and this is the bull season time, when the market start popping, you can see that people have hope, disbelief, optimism, belief, thrills, and euphoria. We went through all of that in 2021. A lot of market participants that got into Bitcoin at 20,000, at 21,000, even up to 30,000, they got into the thrill, belief, and euphoria stage. Guys, right now, Bitcoin is in the sad part of this market cycle. Bitcoin is in the side of anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger, and depression. And if there's one key factor you want to take away from this psychology of a market cycle, is that the bear market is the period in time where we see capitulation, we see anger, we see depression, before we see the disbelief rally. If we take a look at the Bitcoin price chart, we can see that it happened here in 2018, and guys, I still believe it's going to happen in 2021. We saw capitulation right here, we saw anger, then we saw disbelief, and then we saw a new rally. See capitulation here, anger, then depression. We have to go through this depression phase, guys. This depression phase is the phase where Bitcoin looks as if it's doing nothing and it's just ranging, and this was December 2018, January 2018. I believe that's the period in time we are right now. So I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin ranging for maybe another 1 month and get a lot of people just bored in the market. Right now, we have a green month, we have a green week, we have a green day. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think Bitcoin is doing in the near term? If you're a long-term investor, you want to look at this physiology of the market cycle, you want to ask yourself, how is the market feeling right now? It looks as if a lot of people have capitulated because a lot of people are waiting for a lower price. A lot of people have sold out of the market. Right now, we're in the depression phase where a lot of people are asking themselves, why didn't I sell at the euphoria stage? Why am I this dumb? But guys, this is the best time to get all these altcoins and Bitcoin during the bear market. If we take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, guys, at the top of the bull run, Bitcoin market cap got to as high as $1.29 trillion. If we're long-term investors and we're thinking about Bitcoin from a long-term perspective, we know that at some point in time, guys, Bitcoin is going to break this previous all-time high and Bitcoin is going to go to set new all-time highs. If we look at the Bitcoin market cap chart, you can see that Bitcoin's top came in on the market cap chart when Bitcoin's got to as high as $783 billion. And after that, you can see that the RSI on Bitcoin's market cap started dropping really hard. Even when we went to new all-time highs in November, Bitcoin's RSI couldn't go above 69. Right now, Bitcoin RSI